Hey everyone, I'm Billy, and I'm going to take you along for some deliveries today. When you're first starting out, delivering can be this new unknown thing. You might not know what to expect. So I'm here to show you what it's like and give some tips on the way. Let's go. I always check the app before I go online so I can see how many orders I can expect to get. The best time to go online is during peak hours, so sort of around lunch or dinner, especially on weekends. The app is busy now, so we've got no time to waste. First I swipe online and ride towards the city centre where most of the orders will be delivered from. Okay, so an order's come in. I'm quickly going to check the details of the task and accept it. The app is built to match each task to the best suited courier partner based on where we are located and whether we drive a bike, scooter or car. So I usually accept all of the tasks that I'm offered. So let's head over to the restaurant. I sometimes get offered an extra order to pick up from the same place or somewhere nearby. I love it when that happens because I can deliver more than one order at the same time and earn extra. Okay, we're here. So I learned the hard way to always lock my bike and park properly on the cold days where I deliver with car. I saw some Wolt couriers by the restaurant today. It's really nice seeing other couriers out and about. If you want, you can start conversations while waiting for orders and get to know a lot of interesting people. Lisa was a student. She delivers a couple of hours a week on the days where she doesn't have classes. Mike started delivering as a side hustle but ended up quitting his job recently to become a courier full-time. I totally get that. Once you get a taste of the freedom, it can become addictive. I'm picking up a restaurant order. This one's pasta. It's actually super easy. Just go inside, say the name and the order number. As soon as I've collected the order and I'm ready to go, I mark it as picked up. My drop-off task begins and I can head towards the customer. One thing you don't think about that's actually really cool is seeing so much of the city. We're here. I'll check the app again for all of the information. Building, entrance, name, doorbell, pretty easy. This one is a no contact delivery, so I'm just going to leave the order in front of the door and wait for the customer to open. Mission completed. People are always so happy to see me. Once you've completed your first, you'll see for yourself how easy it really is. Personally, I love competing with myself on how many orders I can deliver. By the way, if you are in doubt about something your first day, don't worry. Wolt's support team is there to help us out. Just open a live chat and I'll get back to you right away. Hope to see you on the road soon.